Hello YouTube, Vintage Stereo Collectors and Restorers. This is the Luxon L210. I did some work on it. So I'm going freehand camera this morning, just a very quick video. And I had actually sold this one, somebody that really liked these, and it came back with a small issue. But sometimes it's the small issues that ruin the listing experience. What it was is there's a tone bypass switch on this for the two tone controls. And I usually leave it in bypass because I rarely use the tone controls. But then there's some people that like the tone controls. And what was happening with the tone controls in, the bass control was not, it was affecting the left channel but not the right channel. The right channel is acting as if it were still in the bypass mode. Interesting. So I took a look at this and I remembered something from years ago working these Luxons. This cable, these ribbon cables. So I actually took the two knobs off, the two nuts off, flipped this board over, resoldered the ribbon cable. I'll just show you on the other side too. I'm doing my best freehand here. There we go. Right there, that's the ribbon cable. Resoldered that, and just for fun I resoldered the switch too. And that's what it took. I think it was actually the second one from the right. It just was open, wasn't making contact. It looked okay, but it also didn't have a lot of solder on, which is kind of a sign. Anyway, so now the tone controls work in both channels, or you can defeat them. But it's just one of those little things that comes up. Solder connections can mean everything. And I had this board out and I recapped it and everything. And I thought it was it sounded right. But anyway, they don't come back very often, but once they do, you fix it up and move on. Thanks for watching and listening.